Hey North County, San Diego. My name is Dr. Matt Parker and I'm excited to announce an event I'm having on Saturday, March 23rd at 12 noon called How to End Back Pain and Sciatica so you can live your most active and healthy life even if you've had pain for years. So who is this event for? This event is for those over the age of 50 that are active and they love being on the go and spending time with the kids and the grandkids and going to the beach and hiking, but they keep getting slowed down by back pain and sciatica. And they've tried to go to their physician before and they get told, here's some pain pills and let's rest and wait 6 weeks. Or, they're told that they have arthritis and they have degenerative disc disease and nothing that can be done. And they've tried things like YouTube stretches, or they've gone to chiro in the past, or they've tried physical therapy and they keep getting promised things and they keep getting let down. And that thought starts to creep in the head like, is this gonna be part of my life forever? Or am I gonna need surgery in the future? And what if I'm gonna have to take pain pills for a long period of time? So these are things that, patients I see commonly go through. And I'm here to tell you that if you're tired of only being able to walk 5 or 10 minutes before having to grab your back and have to take a seat, or if you're tired of, taking 15 to 20 minutes to get out of bed in the morning, then this workshop could be for you. And at this workshop, I'm going to discuss the 5 phases of rehab and why traditional PT misses phases 4 and 5. And I'm going to discuss why you haven't been able to get to the root cause of your problem and get back to being healthy and get back to feeling active and getting your energy back so you don't feel exhausted all the time and terrified of what your back pain may or may not do. So if that sounds good to you, I have a page you can go to just by clicking on learn more, and you can put in some information and register for the event. It is a free event. There will be refreshments. It'll be a relaxing environment where we're going to answer all your questions. There's only going to be 12 spots available, and that's just so I can keep it more personalized and I can keep it focused for each person that does attend. So please go ahead, click on that Learn More button, and I hope to see you there. Take care.